Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. Do you want to know how to start a print-on-demand business? Starting a print-on-demand business is easier than ever. All you need is an idea to set up a basic shop for your products. Whether it's your main business idea or just a side hustle, this video will help you with your business. You do not need to worry about the actual printing, shipping, and delivery of the products. Before continuing the video, let's introduce you to Bizee. Bizee is a professional formation service company to file your LLC. It's an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. The full review of Bizee is also given in the description box down below. Now, let's continue the video. First things first, what is print-on-demand? Print-on-demand works as a printing system that caters to individual orders in real time. It's an e-commerce business that creates print copies once the customer has already placed an order. It may include items such as t-shirts, tote bags, mugs, mobile or laptop covers, and posters. Print-on-demand eliminates the need to keep inventory and spend money on designing items beforehand. The basic product is always available for customization by the buyer. Once the order is placed, the business can use the money paid by the customer to process it. Print-on-demand is easy to set up. Setting up a print-on-demand business is simple, as users can easily create accounts on online platforms, add details about products, and start selling. Within a few minutes, the seller account will be functional. You may choose free platforms or pay a premium platform for extra services. Let's go through several advantages of print-on-demand business. Brand building. Pod allows you to create a unique brand with custom products and packaging. You can own the designs and labels, giving you control over your brand identity. Low inventory, there's no need to hold a lot of stock. Products are made only when ordered, reducing the risk of leftover inventory. Focus on creativity. Pod frees up your time by outsourcing packaging, shipping, and logistics. This allows you to focus on designing new products. Lower costs. You don't need to hire staff or buy equipment for production, saving on costs and allowing you to experiment with different ideas. Now, let's walk you through how to start a print-on-demand business. Select a business niche. You may have a niche if you already have an idea of what you'd like to sell. If you don't, you'll need to do some research online to learn about the current trends. You can select niches such as cooking, fitness, organization, nutrition, memes, camping, and more. Choose products to sell. After choosing a niche, you will have to come up with product ideas. Ideally, your product should be in high demand. You can choose simple stickers, custom socks, printed phone covers, tote bags, and t-shirts. Most products already exist, so make sure to give your products a creative twist for new customers. Other platforms to find trending products on are Etsy or Amazon. You can also look for ideas on social media platforms like X, Facebook, and Instagram. Set up an LLC. Once you've decided what product you'll be selling, you'll have to register your business. The best business structure for this type of business is an LLC. As an online business, registering a US LLC comes with a host of benefits, such as credibility with customers, suppliers, and partners, US market access, cash out using US payment processors which are much faster and more reliable, favorable tax treatment for online services, and much more. You can form an LLC and start your business with Bizee from anywhere in the world in less than 5 minutes. By forming a legal business entity, you can minimize your liability and take advantage of potential tax savings as well. Now, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC using Bizee, and in the description down below you also find a review of their service. They are one of the best entity formation platforms in the market that charges $0 for their service. Now, let me just show you what types of services Bizee provides to business owners. After arriving on their website, you will see the list of all the services they provide. Under the Start Your Business section, you will see 4 of their key services, which are form an LLC, C Corporation, S Corporation, and nonprofit. As you can see, there are 3 different packages: silver, gold, and platinum. And the first thing that's worth mentioning is that the state fee does not change. You can see it's $236 in all the packages. Some of the extra services that are included in this package are preparing and filing the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent for 1 year, and unlimited phone and email support. Next, the gold package, which costs $249. And this is the package I highly recommend, with filing EIN, which is a business tax number, Form 2553. It also comes with operating agreement, business bank account, lifetime company alerts, tax consultation, etc. In the next section, Bizee is asking you to provide your LLC name and its designation. After that, they ask you whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. Bizee is providing registered agent service free for 1 year. And after that, it's $119 per year. Bizee is asking you whether you want to get an EIN or not. In the next section, Bizee will ask you whether you will set up a small US business bank with Bank of America. Then if you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. In the Bizee dashboard, if you go to legal and then licenses and permits, they can do this research for you and make sure that you have all the proper licenses and permits. After providing all the information, Bizee will be the one handling all the documents and registering your LLC on your behalf, so you won't need to go through any of these hassles. Next, work on your designs. Next up, it's time to focus on the product designs and making them unique to attract customers. You have to give the consumers a reason to want your product in comparison to other brands. If your design stands out, the customers will be tempted to place an order. If you need help in the design department, you may hire an online professional freelancer to work on helping you create unique designs. Now, pick a platform for integration. There are 2 different options to sell print-on-demand goods: choosing an already established marketplace or creating a new e-commerce store. You can also create an e-commerce platform by setting up your own website and store using Shopify or WooCommerce. It's time to store setup. After choosing a selling platform, set up the store by adding detailed information on the website. Most of the platforms have user-friendly tools and interfaces to create the store, or you can get a professional's help. Some platforms have customizable templates, to-do videos, and pre-built stores. Next, choose a supplier. Your supplier will be the backbone of the business, so make sure you choose someone who ensures product quality, on-time shipping, and delivery. From printing to shipping, the supplier manages these tasks with ease. Most importantly, check product quality. Learning how to start a print-on-demand business involves paying attention to product quality. The execution of the design and quality of your products will directly impact the sales. Always inspect the quality of some samples beforehand. Happy customers mean a happy business. Finally, it's time for marketing your product. Once you've set up an online store, it's time to start marketing your product. Here are a few ways you can market your business. Social media. Posting on social media, show off your designs and uses on platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Getting found in searches, use tools to optimize your store for keywords so customers can easily discover you. Partnering with influencers, collaborate with social media personalities to reach new audiences. Creating informative content, use blog posts and testimonials to attract readers and promote your products. In conclusion, forming a limited liability company, LLC, is a great way to protect your interests when starting a print-on-demand business. In conclusion, forming a limited liability company, LLC, is a great way to protect your interests when starting a lawn care business. Want to make the setup process even simpler? With Bizee, you can easily file your LLC for $0 plus state fees. Both your schedule and your wallet are sure to appreciate it. And no matter what business you choose to start an LLC in, Bizee can help you do so. Make sure to research your business name and make sure it's available in your state. Use our business name search tool for guidance. Bizee has helped over 1 million small business owners. Form your LLC $0 plus state fee. It includes free registered agent service for a full year. Check the link in the description box down below. The full review of Bizee is also given.